Now for this practice, you have the choice. You can either lie down comfortably on a mat or a bed or a carpet, or you can sit however you want in a chair, on your bed, wherever allows you to comfortably experience your own body. So once you've found your position, begin by observing the room around you. And then gently just close your eyes and start focusing on sounds. Find the furthest sound that you can hear, whether it's outside the building or across the street. And then bring your awareness to closer sounds, maybe inside the building you're in, just outside your room. And then bring that awareness closer still into the room in which you find yourself. The most immediate sounds, even closer, maybe hearing the sound of your breathing, hearing your heartbeat in your chest. Now bring your focus to the sensations in your body. Now I want you to do a body scan, beginning with the tips of your toes. And scan your body from the tips of your toes all the way up through your legs, hips, your abdomen, chest, neck, up to the top of your head. And look for any type of discomfort, whether it's an ache, a pain, soreness, some tension, whether it's an acute pain or even just a slight discomfort. Scan your body until you find one such thing, one such sensation. And when you find it, now forget the whole rest of the body exists. The only thing that exists is that pain or discomfort. Focus all of your awareness on that pain. Breathe into that pain. See if you can send your breath there. Target it to that spot only. Breathe in and breathe out of the pain. Make the pain your center. Notice if your pain has a color. Does your pain have a shape? What is the character of your pain? What is its personality? What would your pain look like if it were a person? How would this pain interact with others? If you could talk to this pain, what would you say to it? And continue breathing into this pain as you become one with it, as you try to understand its character and feel its character. And for the last minute or so of this session, integrate your awareness of the breath with your awareness of the pain. So with every inhaling cycle, imagine the inhale going up and down through, and the inhale stopping at where your pain is. And then your exhale beginning from where your pain is. And then you can even imagine inhaling soothing, healing energy and exhaling your pain or discomfort. Okay. You can relax your awareness and express gratitude again for dedicating yourself to your mindfulness practice and increasing awareness of your body. And I hope that stays with you as you go out through your day. And whenever you feel any pain or discomfort, you take a moment to identify with it and become it, and then release it. Have a great day.